Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we going to make wonton soup. Know what the our ingredient and our recipe. Okay, this one minced chicken about 300 gram, sliced spring onion, prawn, off tail, white pepper powder, soy sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, chicken seasoning, and egg yolk. And the last one is the wonton skin. Okay, and now we're going to mix all the ingredient in here, right? And then we put the light soy sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, white pepper, and then just a half teaspoon of chicken seasoning powder, just a pinch of sugar, egg yolk, and spring onion, and then we mix it together, and then you leave it for 15 minutes, right, to the taste everything absorb together. Yeah, I add more flavor because I taste it the taste not strong enough. Yeah, add the white pepper powder and another tablespoon of light soy sauce, a little bit more of seasoning powder, a little bit more of sugar. That's it, and then we mix it. Yeah, that we got the right taste, right? And now we need to wrap with the skin, right? You like the filling a lot or not?
Yeah.
A lot, okay. Yeah, like this, yeah. And we put prawn inside. Okay, then we use the water. We stick like this together. Yeah, not too much water, and then the skin become too wet. Yeah, because this one the filling is quite a lot of filling.
Looks like ravioli.
Yeah. Okay, after that we boil the water. Okay, the water boiling. Now we boil this, the one we have done it. ไม่พูดใส่เลย
Told you.
Oh, inside a lot. A lot of filling.
So this needs how long?
This one about 5 minutes. You can until inside cook, the meat inside cook. Yeah, I think this one is cooked. It takes between 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah, the meat inside cook. Okay, we take it out, put in the bowl. Volume thơm là dù ơi. Okay, and now we make the soup. We just use the normal water. Yeah, about 1 liter. Yeah, about 1 liter of the water. Okay, we put 1 spoon of light soy sauce. Seasoning powder, just a quarter, and white pepper. You can taste what taste you like. If you like more sweet, you can put sugar. A little bit more, one more Just a pinch of sugar. Not salty enough. Okay, when the water boil. Okay, when the water boil, we put in the bowl. The one we read. And we put the spring onion on top, fried onion. This is how our wonton soup look like. Okay. Yeah.
Alright guys, so here we are again, and we've got a wonton soup, and these look amazing. So I'm just gonna get stuck right in. These are a bit big, so Oh wow. Oh wow, there's a lot going on in there. There's still a crunch going on. I don't know if you can see all that in there. Oh wow, really good. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It really helps. And we'll see you again next week. And yeah, feel free to give this a go. Send us any pictures of how they turn out. And we'll see you next week. Take care now. Bye.